YouTube. So here's my Hoover Windtunnel canister vacuum. What it has inside here is the accessories right here. So here's for the hard floor, the edger, couch upholstery, and the dusting brush. Now, I love this vacuum. This is one of my favorite vacuums of all of mine. I got this a while back ago. And I got it at a Goodwill. And then here's that one. And then here's the beta bar thing right here. And I'm going to show you a review about it. Turn it on for you guys and show you how well it works. This room's just a little dirty. Plug it in to the socket. No, you can wind it up too. Watch. You can wind it up. Okay, so here, on and off. So it's gonna be on. I'll push the pedal. Now here we go. You can see it kind of picking up. This is my favorite vacuum. I work at a local vacuum shop, so I get my vacuums discounted. So, and thanks for watching.